Moved gaff last year and I left the laundry cupboard till last, but I'm so glad I did.
I love how it turned out because it took me ages to plan this.
I am going to link this because it's good, but you have to promise me you will measure absolutely everything inside that cupboard at least 3 times.
I have a steaming area. Then I have a vacuum area. These are all the accessories. Here's the vacuum itself. Then I have the charging point. You may say, why not do a charging dock in this cupboard? It's chaos, and I would definitely hit a wire or pipe. So it was just as easy to set this up. And then this part has this handy hook that I can pop on there. Next, I have my fold down laundry basket and fold down bucket, which is really good for hand washing. By the way, I reconfigured the shelves just to suit what I needed. So laundry section has vinegar and water for spritzing the pits. It has dryer balls. I've covered my laundry detergent because Big Laundry needs to pay me. Then I've got laundry bags, and then I have a stain removal kit. So it's got all the usuals like chopsticks, gloves, washing up liquid. This is actually plumber's tape that I used to use for sealing pipes, but I use it for putting over really delicate buttons. This is for spare buttons, etc. The organizer came with this. And I thought, what better to put out than my 2 favourite shopping bags. Top shelf is reserved mainly for spares, ironed, bobbler, hand towels, tissues. And then I have this put up. I find it quite handy for air drying anything I don't want near heat, or I can, when I'm finished steaming something, throw it up there. And then I lifted this a little bit higher so that I could have a folding area for like underwear and delicates. She's stunning.